Hi, this is a quick review of the Tichy Train Group 2 war cars that I made up. They're quite inexpensive to buy. I got these direct from America. It's only $100 for 12 carriages, which you can appreciate is a real bargain. They come in a kit form. It's a plastic kit. That's the only downside to the whole thing, is that the wheels are actually plastic. They go together quite smoothly, and it was a great project to make. There's two things to be aware of, and that is they need a little bit of weight put in each of the carriages just to get them to settle down nicely onto the tracks. Those rocks I'll replace with some coal at a later date. And the other thing is that the trucks, you have to be very careful when putting them together, that they're very carefully lined up that way. Sometimes they come a little bit twisted, but I'm extremely happy with them, and it was quite a bargain. 12 carriages for $100. Thanks for watching.